Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Huntrix, what it sounds like from K-pop Demon Hunters.
Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst
Different vibe. The,
mm-hmm.
this is more like on the ballad side.
of what I came from, and I don't understand. I try to fix it.
This is like how back in the day, Mulan came out and you had the song from Christina Aguilera singing Reflections. It's giving those vibes.
I try to fight divided, my lives all collided. I don't know why.
Gives one of the pop girlies like Ted McRae sound. Like there's a little rasp in the voice.
I broke into a million.
You remind me of Fauzia.
Fauzia?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I could see it. It's one of the girls with the raspier
They
voice.
could have called Fauzia to do this.
Would have been great opportunity for Fauzia. But I ain't gonna lie, like considering these are K-pop artists singing this, pretty cool.
In the broken glass, the scars are part of me.
And what's impressive is that in none of these songs I have heard any accent. Like the English is perfect.
This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck in
The lyrics are very deep, very powerful.
the light instead? Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony.
Yeah, I think that's what is different between these songs from this and the actual K-pop. These songs, like the lyrics are actually like there's meaning in it, and it makes sense. Versus K-pop, a lot, not all the time, but a lot of times the lyrics are just they're repeating the same stuff over and over again.
We're shattering the silence.
You know that cadence of this is what it sounds like. You know what it gives me?
What?
We gonna do this all night. Whose song is that? We gonna do this all night. I don't remember.
You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us.
Oh no, this is giving me Elsa from Let It Go. Let It Go.
You just
Let It
at
Go.
this
That,
point
that,
you
walk, that walk. There was this moment in when she was saying Let It Go, she was doing that stank walk. Oof, fierce.
at
Before
this
she about
point
to
you're
shut it
just
down.
naming Disney songs.
No, but it gives me some of the moments. It's like reminding me of like iconic moments from popular film.
Okay.
Yes.
We're liars, so we're not heroes.
Damn, they have a concert and they still gotta fight demons. That's a busy job.
I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side.
They said they're tired. They're tired of performing, fighting demons. No, life is hard.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go.
That's low key relatable to idols for real though.
Yeah.
If you really think about it.
It's a tough job.
Broken glass, the stars are part of me. Darkness and harmony.
Ooh,
My voice without the light.
ooh, the rivals they're watching.
I think it's the Sacha Boys.
Yes, the Sasha Boys for sure, and it looks like it's about to be a bad. Ooh, I need them to go head to head.
Yeah, Sacha Boys.
Jagged edges meet the light instead.
And they fly. I didn't know they so. When it's bad when you see a roach, but it's worse when the roach starts flying. Now we have a problem.
This is what it sounds like.
Oh, this is like final level, final boss.
It does give like this is the ending of the movie.
The
Yeah.
epic part.
Yeah, the epic part.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we saw the whole movie pretty much.
Basically through the soundtracks, yeah.
Wow.
This gives like in Dragon Ball Z when there was like Goku needed to get
Now you're just
energy.
naming stuff.
Oh yeah, of course.
I'm just
since it is
kidding.
you.
I'm just kidding.
Goku needed to get energy from like everybody and all the people on Earth
Oh.
gave him the energy, and this kind of reminds me of that.
I'm so
And the only Harry Potter reference this gives is the hats. You can say that this gives a little wizards the outfits. Aside from that, there's nothing Harry Potter like.
have we give him abs and it kind of like ends him. Like, no, abs.
Go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me.
This is fierce. I like the lyrics. The lyrics is very powerful, very uplifting.
What it sounds like. Why do we cover up the color stuck inside our heads? Get up.
And also, it's kind of connecting like the fans to the idol, like giving the fans giving strength to the idols.
Yeah, their souls.
I remember we were watching something and they said the what you call that, the light, the glow
Glow stick,
the
the
glow
light stick, yeah.
the glow stick is like a representative. So it's like the representative.
We just watched that today.
Yeah.
Right, what would
Or the other day, or someone was talking about we're understanding the purpose of the. He was explaining the purpose of the glow stick.
Well, I feel like we watched that today, but
It was, I think, yesterday. So the representatives are helping the idols beat down the demons.
I'll find your harmony. Feel it and undefined. This is what it's.
This
I
is-
think I think it was BTS, one of the BTS members
Ah.
that we watched yesterday, like an interview.
I don't know if it was BTS. Or it looked like someone else was saying that to them. It was like an older gen. It was explaining.
But I think it was like one of the funny moments videos, and yeah.
Mhm.
Feel it and undefined. This is
Okay.
sounds like. Truth after all this.
So they won. The whole
everything is
world, yeah, the
good.
whole world is safe now. Yeah, this
Yes.
definitely was like the epic moment of the movie, I think.
Yeah.
This is what it sounds like.
You know, also, if you notice the crowd, you have all ages of
Yeah.
people. So it's like K-pop is for everybody. Because we were watching a video about ageism. Wasn't the tea. Oh, there were Saja Boys fans first. Now they switch the Huntrix. Wow. You know what's funny? They always stand in accordance of height. Like in real life too. Tall, medium, short. They never out of order.
That's random.
Hey guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know if you have already seen this movie on Netflix. And as always, share as much kindness as possible.